After midnight, sirens in Haifa. Wait, has a new front just opened? Welcome to Times XP special war coverage. Just when the region thought the fighting was limited to direct exchanges between Israel and Iran, another very powerful actor stepped in. Well, the Lebanese armed group Hezbollah launched rockets and drones towards northern Israel, including the major port city of Haifa. Let's just understand what this really means. Well, Haifa is not just another city, it is one of Israel's most important industrial and maritime hubs. It hosts a major port, energy facility, and key infrastructure. So, when sirens go off there after midnight, it signals that the conflict is expanding geographically. According to reports, multiple projectiles were fired from southern Lebanon. Israel's air defense systems activated immediately. Interceptors lit up the night sky. While some rockets were reportedly shot down, while authorities assessed the impact zone for the damage. Emergency services were placed on high alert, but here's the bigger issue. Hezbollah is not a small militia, it is widely considered one of the most heavily armed non-state group in the world. Over the years, it has built large arsenals of rockets, precise guided munition, and drones. It has experience from past conflicts as well with Israel. So when Hezbollah enters a confrontation, it changes the scale of the battlefield. But why would Hezbollah step in now? Because Hezbollah is closely aligned with Iran. It has long described itself as part of the axis of resistance against Israel and the US influence in the region. If tensions between Tehran and Jerusalem intensify, then Hezbollah's involvement becomes a serious risk, opening what analysts call a northern front against Israel. Now, this particular thing creates a multi-front scenario. Israel would then face pressure from the north in Lebanon, potential threats from Gaza in the south, and direct missile exchange involving Iran. And that stretches military resources and increases unpredictability, right? Now, for civilians, this means something simple and frightening. More sirens, more shelters, more uncertainty. Well, for entire region, it raises the stakes dramatically. Lebanon itself is already facing economic collapse and political instability. A full-scale conflict between Israel and Lebanon, it would devastate the infrastructure on both the sides of the border. It could also draw in other regional players. So in the end, here's the key question. Was this a limited show of support from Hezbollah, or is this just the beginning of a sustained involvement?